Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and from past few videos I have been working on making a video tutorial series on C programming language. In my last video I completed the discussion on a very simple topic, which is what is C programming language, and in this video again I am going to cover a very basic and simple topic, which is C is termed as system programming language. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any queries, then let me know in the comment section. So now let us start our today's topic, which is C is termed as system programming language. So as you can see, I have written down few points here. With the help of these points, we will try to understand this concept. So now the first point is saying that it is used to create system software. That means C programming is used to create system software. So what is system software? So system softwares are those software applications with which user can access various resources of the computer. And what are various resources? So printer, scanner, speakers, microphones. So all these are various hardware devices, and these are also resources of the computer. If I want to access any of these resources, then I must have a system software. Okay, and operating system is a system software. So with the help of operating system, we try to access all these resources, and this operating system is created or developed with C programming language. So the operating system is also a system software, and drivers, kernels, and compilers, interpreters, all these are the system softwares, because these system softwares allows the users to access various resources of the computer. I hope you guys have understood this first point. So now let us move on to the second topic, which is it is used to do low level programming. Now what is low level programming? Low level programming is also called as machine level programming. That means whatever C programs and C code we write as a user, so those code and instructions will be in the form of high level programming, and computer cannot understand this high level programming. For a computer to understand the C code, the high level programming needs to be converted into a low level programming, and interpreters does this work. Interpreters takes the high level programming written in C language and convert it into a low programming language. Okay, so the C is also used to create these interpreters which convert the high level programming into low level programming. Now the third point is it is used to interact hardware devices, operating system, kernels, drivers. Okay, and Linux kernel is written in C. Okay, so as I have told you at the beginning of this video, that C programming is used to interact with various hardware devices. That means C language is used to develop system softwares, and these system softwares will allow the users to interact with various hardware devices. And C programming is also used to develop operating systems, drivers, kernels. Okay, and here there is an example is also mentioned, that Linux kernel. Okay, so the Linux kernel is also written in C language. Now the next point is examples of system programming languages are C, C++, Go, Rust, etc. Okay, so these are some of the examples, okay, of system programming languages. So now the next point is other type of language is application programming language, which is used to develop application software like billing softwares, gaming application, photo editors, etc. One of the category of software is system software, and another category is application software. So to develop application softwares, we use application programming language. What are application softwares? As I have earlier told you, which users uses for their daily work. Those softwares like Notepad, then MS Office, billing softwares, gaming applications, Photoshop. So these are the applications which users uses on their daily basis to perform their day-to-day tasks. So these softwares are called as application softwares. Okay, so to develop these types of application softwares, we use other programming languages like C#, Java, PHP. Okay, now the next is C programming language can be used to develop not only application software but also system softwares like operating system, compilers, interpreters, device drivers, etc. Okay, so the same point which I already told you, that C programming language is not only used to develop application softwares like library management system or billing softwares. The C programming is also used to develop system softwares like operating system, compilers, interpreters, device drivers. So we can develop these types of applications or these types of softwares with the help of C programming language. Due to its appropriateness for writing system software, it can be called a system programming language. Okay, this C programming language is so much appropriate to develop system softwares like operating systems, compilers and interpreters, device drivers. That's why C programming language is termed as system programming language. So these are some of the points which we have discussed just to understand why C is termed as system programming language. So I hope you guys have understood. I'm sure now you guys are very much clear that why C is called a system programming language. So if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any queries, then let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video where I will be discussing on some other simple topic of C programming language. And thanks for watching.